Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to turn on or off screen lock or unlock sounds on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And settings, go to sounds and vibration. And sounds and vibration, okay, below, you can see this system sounds section. And okay guys, here you can see the screen lock or unlock. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on the screen lock or unlock sounds, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on. To turn off, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. We have successfully turned on or off screen lock or unlock sounds on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.